for that. Here's a screw, and a screw is useful to connect things. Used to connect things like this. Now we got a bowl of water and we got this screw designed bottle. We're going to use this screw design to actually pump water. First we put food color. Then mix it. It's collecting water. The water is pumping out of the side. This is used for free energy. This is happening because the pipe collects the water, and when the pipe is out, the water gets stored inside it, and it used for farmers that needs no energy to collect water for their farm.